to this channel, my name is May, Trench and Designer. So I'm gonna be doing a YouTube tutorial on how to fleek your eyebrows. You know, for amateurs, I'm not a pro makeup artist. Again, this is what I do. This is what works for me and my eyebrow shape. Now, I haven't been threading or waxing my eyebrows for a very long time now, so I'm trying to let it grow back because when I waxed it the last time, they messed up on my eyebrows. So my eyebrows is looking a little crazy. One of them always looks like they need help, basically. And then the other one has its own little arch. Like you can see, this one has its own little arch. It's always been like that. Both their eyebrows is never gonna look identical. So this is what I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. So what I do use is the Anastasia number 12 pencil. You know, typical brush, little spiky thing at the end. I use the DipBrow also. In what color do I use this in dark brown. And then I have two concealers. One of them is a little lighter, but I'm into it. So what I do, I push my hairs up. You want to do this because if you don't get your eyebrows in, your eyebrows waxed or threaded, you should definitely put them up to give them that shape. So I'm going with this. It looks beat up because I use it all the time. Now the thing with this, a little goes a long way. It lasts me a really long time. I lost the last one that I had because I went away and I don't think I ever put it back in my suitcase. So let's go in. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Now, I don't start all the way to the front, but I give it that strong little, give it lifelike strokes. You want to give it that, you know. And then what I do, I take this side, bring it down like that. And I go in again. Again, I don't start all the way to the front because I want to give it that ombre effect. Now once I do that, I play with it a little, go like this, and then I go in and touch it up some more with this. It may look a little thick, but you'll see when I shape it up in the concealer, like it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna look more natural. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. My right side is always a bit easier for me because it has that natural arch. This side always gives me a little pressure. That's why I always start like... Now what I've learned past out the time doing my eyebrows, they always say, when I look at other YouTube tutorials, they always say don't go directly on your hair, your eyebrow hair. Go a little bit under and give it its shape, and then when you do the concealer, that's when you move up a little bit and you conceal. But I'll show you the steps. And I'm a lefty, so it makes it a little bit more harder. you have a lot of product in one place, you can just use this part and brush it out a little. And I'm gonna go up the top. Remember, don't go from over here, start a little bit over here. And remember, a little goes a long way. Now, see how this side looks a little more blended than this, because this one always looks crazy, but I always fix it. And what I do is this. So this. So now we're gonna brush it out a little. My eyebrows. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. So I forgot these two brushes. This is the blend right here. I'll show you guys what that does. This brush is actually it's called the crease blending brush. It's actually for hair, but I use it for up here above my eyebrows. It's from H&M. My best friend got it. She got me like a set of brushes from there, and I've always stuck with this one because it works really well. Like, I don't care where stuff comes from. As long as it works for me and it does the job, I'm totally fine with it. This one is actually from H&M too, and it's called the Precision Concealer Brush. Now, this brush is definitely to conceal your, you know, concealer. So, I'm gonna go ahead with this one, the Lancôme, and I just put that amount on there. And this usually works for one eyebrow. And always make sure your brushes are clean. You don't want the last product from the last time to be on the brush and you look, it looks crazy. It looks built up. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and, it's gonna be a little quiet now because this takes patience and a lot of, you know, a lot of effort. Once you mess up with this, you can't really go changing nothing, but try to, you know. Now, for the most part, this works a lot more better than my other concealers because it's more a little thicker, but it's a little harder to blend out. So, but it covers the unwanted hair, I should say. It does. And I just make the concealer come down a little. You don't want to go up. It's gonna go into the brow, so you want it to come down. And you want to, and if you're going for a natural look, you always want to put the concealer coming this way, like to the left. When you do the right eye, it comes to the right. So you know, brush it this way. And if I go on top, sometimes I don't do the top, but I always do it with my foundation. But today we're gonna go in and we're gonna do a little because and make sure that beauty blend is a little damp, and then you go in and you just blend. Remember what I said, this way. Then on top, you push the product going up. You don't want a lot of product built on your forehead, so that's what I do. Now the thing with the beauty blender, it also takes up a lot of products. So you just want to like dab light, and this you have to go consistent. You know what I'm trying to say. Lord. And that's what I'm going with this brush. And I usually use my foundation, but and I go around in a circle because you want to make sure you blend. You don't want any harsh lines. Like I can still see the lines, so it's a little harsh. So I'm gonna go in and just play with it a little. And you'll go in with a darker shade. Sometimes I use like a sandy brown eyeshadow, and I just blend the top because I don't want it to look too harsh. But this is how I conceal and do my eyebrows. I just take my finger and go like that because it has that harsh whitish part of the eye. And I go with this. And I go like that to give it that ombre effect. I don't like that harsh line, but anyway, this is just how I'm not putting on any foundation. This is just how I do my eyebrows. See how it has that, like, you know. And it still looks a little natural. I mean, yes, it's drawn on, but this is just how I get it done. Like, this is how I would do my eyebrows. You see the difference? See? See? I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. And look, I'm still using that same product. You don't need to use a lot. I don't use a lot. I've been seeing a lot of people like do a lot of shit, but no. For me, this is what works. This is what works for me. So I'm gonna go ahead. Again, a lot of patience to do these eyebrows. Sometimes I take breaks because I be having to do too much. Too fucking much. I'm putting more right here because it has like a lot of loose hairs. So that's how I hide the unwanted hairs too when I don't want to wax or thread them. And we're gonna go up top. Remember, you don't have to start all the way here. I start from right here, like right there. Remember, we're pushing the product this way. And do this as long as possible. Don't rush it and don't not do it properly. Just keep blending in that product into your skin. Because again, you're gonna get that harsh line under your eyebrow, or like, you know, where you try to conceal and it's not working. And remember, when we get up top, we push the product up like this. Push it up. Again, this is what works for me. Usually I go a little quicker than this, but you know. I'm recording for you guys, so. And look. it also gets rid of that like harsh line right there. So just go like that. It looks natural as possible, it's just not too much going on. So that's how I work. That's how I do my lashes. So that's how it looks. And I always do my eyebrows first before I put on my foundation. And for now, guys, so see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby.